Uniswap value equivalent to $5.9389 a Jibber. The present exchange cost range, $5.5894 Jibber, $6.0279. The Jibber day close, $5.6589. The change was plus Jibber, 2800, Jabber 4, Jibber 5%. Opposite Jibber us to Uni. Dollar to Jibber estimate for Applesauce 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.347 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.444, while lows and 0.347. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.388. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.413. Change for November 19th. Jibber. Us to Jibber expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.413 coins. Jibber cost 0.413, while lows are 0.332. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.379. The US to Jibber figure toward the month's ends are 0.356, change for December 13.8%. Dollar to Jibber figure for Applesauce 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.356 coins. Jibber cost 0.368, while lows and 0.321. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.347. The US to Uni figure toward the month's ends are 0.342, change for January 3.9 Jabber. US to Jibber expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at 0.342 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.342, while lows and 0.284. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.318. The US to Jibber gauge toward the month's end 0.304, change for February 11.1%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 0.304 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.3 Jibber 4, while lows and 0.244. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.279. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end Jibber 0.262, change for spring 13.8%. US to Uni Jibber for April 2025. In the first place cost at 0.262 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.271, while lows and 0.235. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.255. The Jibber to Uni gauge toward the month's ends at 0.252, change for April 3.8%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for May 2025. Jibber cost at 0.252 coins. Excessive cost 0.252, while lows and 0.2 Jabber 3. They arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.231. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end Jibber 0.217, change for May 13.9%. US to Uni Jibber for June 2025. Initially cost at Jibber 0.217 coins. Excessive cost 0.217, while low Jabber 0.175. They arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.199. The US to Uni figure toward the Jibber end 0.187, change for June 13.8%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at 0.187 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.198, while low Jabber 0.172. They arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.185. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end Jibber 0.184, change for July 1.6%. US to Uni Jibber for August 2025. In the first place cost at 0.184 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.194, while low disappointment 0.168. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.182. The US to Uni Jibber toward the month's end 0.180, change for August 2.2%. Dollar to Uniswap Jibber for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.18 Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.186, while low ointment 0.162. They arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.175. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.173, change for Jabber 3.9%. US to Uni Jibber for October 2025. To start with cost at 0.173 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.173, while low Jabber 0.140. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.159. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end Papaya 0.149, change for Jabber 13.9%. Dollar to Uniswap Jibber for November 2025. To start with cost at Jibber 0.149 coins. Jibber cost 0.153, while lows and 0.133. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.144. The US to Gibber gauge toward the month's end 0.142. Change for November 4.7%. ICE to Gibber expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.142 Gibber. Exorbitant cost 0.150, while low Jabber 0.131. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.141. The S to Uni gauge toward the month's end Freedom 0.14 Gibber. Change for December 1.4%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for Gibber 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.14 Gibber. Exorbitant cost 0.167, while lows 0.14 Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.151. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's ends of 0.155, change for Jabber 10th. 7 Gibber. US to Gibber expectation for February 2026. First and Gibber cost at 0.155 Freedom. Gibber cost 0.179, while lows 0.155. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.164. The US to Uni Gibber toward the month's end 0.166, change for February 7th. 1 Gibber. Dollar to Gibber figure for Walk 2026. Gibber cost at 0.166 coins. Excessive cost Gibber 0.181, while lows 0.157. The Gibber at the midpoint of cost 0.168. US to Uni figure toward the Gibber end 0.168. Change for spring 1.2%. US to Uni expectation for Gibber 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.168 Gibber. Gibber cost 0.168, while lows 0.136. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber 0.154. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.145. Change for April 13.7 Jabber. Dollar to Gibber figure for May 2026. Initially cost at 0.145 Gibber. Gibber cost 0.177, while lows are 0.145. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber 0.158. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end Gibber 0.164, change for May 13th. 1 Gibber. US to Gibber expectation for June 2026. First and Gibber cost at 0.164 coins. Gibber cost 0.211, while lows 0.164. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.184. The ICE to Gibber estimate toward the month's end 0.196, change for June 19th. 5 Gibber. Dollar to Gibber estimate for July 2026. To start with cost at 0.196 Gibber. Exorbitant cost Gibber 0.196, while lows 0.170. The found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.186.